I got a key in a box for Christmas last year. My sister said, look at the top, and it said, welcome home. And I started crying. We all got up and hugged.
Christina's story is one of hope. It's also a story about an innovative model of care in Alameda County, where providers surround people with a coordinated system focused on one goal: closing gaps in the safety net that hinder recovery and meeting multiple needs to accelerate the success of people like Christina.
Growing up, I had a pretty normal childhood, but around 15, I got involved with the wrong crowd. I started dating this guy who was 18, and he ended up raping me, and I didn't understood at the time that your boyfriend could do that.
Christina's trauma caused pain, and her efforts to cope led to personal challenges.
That's when I started doing ecstasy and pretty much anything I could get my hands on to feel better about myself. And I ran away from home. I was homeless for a couple years. There was a feeling of emptiness, a feeling needing to feel whole again. I didn't want to be numb anymore.
Christina was referred to a provider partner of Alameda County Care Connect, where innovative programs and services were developed to deliver whole person care and support people on their journey to better health.
She's grown tremendously. She didn't make a lot of eye contact when we first met. She kind of looked down a lot. I've seen her blossom. I've seen her self-esteem grow.
Gary is Christina's sponsor in the Options Drug Treatment Program, a partner provider participating in the Care Connect System Transformation Initiative.
In the homeless community, oftentimes there's drug and alcohol use as a coping skill to deal with that environment. Now, that is not a healthy coping skill to have because of that negative feedback loop. So I think that dealing with homelessness on a parallel track of mental health, homelessness, addictions when necessary is important to helping people to get off the streets and stay off the streets.
Care Connect was a Medi-Cal pilot initiative operated from 2016 to 2021 by Alameda County's Healthcare Services Agency. Funded by federal and local dollars, Care Connect created a partnership of providers. The pilot connected multiple sectors and made structural changes in how providers such as housing and healthcare work together.
So Care Connect is Alameda County's version of whole person care. So what is that? There are times when people have all kinds of things going wrong at the same time, and where addressing those problems one at a time just won't cut it in terms of their being able to move out of where they're stuck. For example, if you get sick and you're living outside and you're homeless, your ability to do anything about your physical illness is really, really, really difficult. There are many barriers. So there are people and times in their lives when whole person care means we help them identify all the things that are in the way and address them all together at the same time. Care Connect helps providers connect together so that they can actually then surround and support people who need us.
It's the coordination of the delivery of services, right? Now we can go see all the services that people are getting. We have team meetings that can discuss these clients' problems, challenges, strengths, and interests, and share this information with the other parts of the Care Provide group.
Gary had lived similar experiences. He related to Christina's challenges, encouraged and supported her efforts, and provided hope for the future.
What I've experienced with working with her over the last couple of years is she's grown. You know, she's addressed health issues. You know, these are all things that we don't do when we're using drugs and alcohol, right? We don't stop to make these changes that make our lives better. I'm really proud of her. I'm very, very proud of her. I think her future is wide open.
I've been trying to get sober for years, and with the PATH program and options, I have 3 years no alcohol, 1 year no marijuana, and 6 months no cigarettes. My parents are so proud that I've stuck with the program and started to take care of myself, and I get to watch my niece grow up, you know. She just turned 4. God, that was the best thing. hanging out with my sister. They're all my best friends. Don't give up. Someone will always come find you, or if you ask for help, they'll come and give you help here. Believe in yourself and never give up.